Caterpillar yellow is now on. The plan's gone really well today, I think, because that frame there can go on now next week. And the tank can go on, pipework can go on, and the other bits can go on, and it'll start to go in the right direction. But I think today's objective is done. It's come up alright. Pleased with that. Now just do the frame in the week. The tanks come up alright. Get the welded pipes onto the load arms this week. But first thing is got to do this frame's got to go back on. You need a tank on then to run the fuel line back to the engine. So we're working from the back to the front, and get a couple of jobs to do on the top between the load arms for the air intake. But I think that's come up good. Pleased with that. You can do the job so much better with that frame off. I think before I put the frame on, I'll grease those shafts too, those pivot shafts for the clutch yokes. Easy to do in that position. So that's good, really good. So what do you reckon then? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it'll take a few hours for the back paint to go off, but I think it's going to work out good, really good. So till next time.